Hello, welcome to McBoss Capital live stream here. My name is Michael Chu. Today is Friday, September 19th, 2025, 9:04 a.m. Mountain Time, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Market is slightly positive. Nasdaq up 0.3%, Dow up 0.07%, just slightly up, and S&P up 0.1, also slightly up. Volume is super high on both exchange today, due to quadruple, reaching expiration like options and futures and stuff. So we have a really strong volume today. So hopefully we can stay where we at. Yesterday was a very powerful day. You can see if we bounce back from Wednesday's drop, because Wednesday was the Fed day. We have an intraday big swing, and we came down to near the 10-day, which is the green line. Then we end up slightly, like we bounced back quite a bit. We end up slightly just lower, and then on Thursday we were able to follow through on the Fed news, and today we just slightly up. So everything looks good, right? Now today the market is trying to hold intraday low here, so it might fail. Um, we'll see, because and then it might test the intraday, well the yesterday's close as well. So we'll have to see what happened there. SPY SPY is also coming down. You can see the trend line actually. So it's giving back a little bit, and it's negative, um, slightly. I'm not sure why it show red. It's up here, but anyhow, Dow also down slightly. Go to 5-minute chart. It is also slightly downtrend here. So we'll see if we find support in the lows here. So overall, it still looks pretty good. So, but anything can change any moment. So you gotta be careful. Um, some tech stocks are underselling today. So here's IWM. So the Russell also did really well. Excuse me. Yesterday, again, you see the Wednesday was a very volatile day. It was up quite a bit and then came all the way back down. But again, we did follow through on the news on Thursday, so that was good. So today is a give back day. It's down 0.6% right now, and right now there's some selling pressure here as well, right? So stocks on the move. Let me refresh. HRDC Insurance, Barrick Mining. So gold is dominating today. I'm not sure if there's any news, but it is definitely moving. GFI, App Loving is still going. We have Day Cabana, STRL been a strong performer lately. Lao, CNX, CNX also doing really well. Live 360, SITM, this one also late recent strong performer. Wayfair, Upstart, Residual, this one also been strong performer. Bloom Energy, this one keep going. ANET, R Gold, more gold, DRD Gold. Palantir starting to move, PXIX. So those are some of the stocks, and you can see the volume is super high today. Even at the 20th spot, we have over 90% at this hour. So lots of stocks movement. Um, so I'm gonna start with gold today, just because it is the strongest area today. Let's look at the gold bullion first. Go to daily. Hope I don't have the same issue as yesterday. I don't know why my machine slows down when I run the streaming software. I may need to update that software. Unfortunately, it's slowing down the whole machine. Um, so here's gold. Pulled back recently, and today it bounced. So look at where it's at right now. It's just bounce off the 10-day, right? It's not even near new high, right? Um, so that's the gold price. But when I look at the stocks, a lot of them are pretty strong. Let's see. AU. So this one is bouncing as well, right? So some of them following the chart, they're just bouncing off the 10-day. Barrick, look at Barrick. This one, didn't give up much last 2 days, and today it just like this is an all-star winner for gold stock for sure. Barrick mining. Um, yeah, CDE. This one also bouncing here. FNV. There's new high right there. GFI. This is making new high right now. Look at that bounce. MUX. This is a nice bounce here. Next we have OR. Also bouncing. Then we have Royal Gold. Also bouncing slightly here. This one is not as strong. SSRM. Bouncing right now. Then we have SVM. Also bouncing right now. So yeah, like I mean, oh, this one is silver. I didn't look at past. Yeah, PAS. Past correcting is bouncing a little bit as well. Click on my markups for a second. So yeah, it is bouncing a little bit. Yeah, let's look at text now. Uh, so I think some of the chips might be pulling back a little bit. Let me just look at Broadcom. Yeah, so this one is pulling back pretty strong. AMD. Yeah, this one's not moving at all. NVIDIA. It's like having a hard time coming above this short-term moving average. It is slightly above it, but it just doesn't look very convincing. TSM. This one's going down as well. One stock on my list doing okay is SITM. So even this one is pulling back this morning after hitting new high. SMTC, this one is starting to come down. Let's look at this. Okay, ANET here. ANET bouncing. Yeah, it's bouncing. So, and then we have app loving that still continue to go. Look at this. Look at the ants start showing up there. Um, and then we have Palantir. Palantir is moving up nicely here on the right side of the space. So that looks pretty good. Google, this one is still going live. This one is still going. Momentum. This one is pulling back just slightly. Let's look at some of this other chip stock here. LSCC. It's pulling back. Yes, they had a strong run there. Rambus. This one has been having a strong run, pulling back as well. Then we look at GNI. This one is bouncing nicely today. Look at this, decisively going above the short-term moving average. Credo. This one is still pulling back slightly today. Let's look at some of the data storage guy. MU. This one is pulling back hard. Look at yesterday's gain. So it could have potentially, I don't want to say top, but at least like really extended. So it might be pulling back now. STX. This one is still holding. WDC. Well, this one's still going. PSTG. Slowing down and loading again. The PSTG is holding up okay. Very tight trading, look at that. Other areas kind of weak today. Retail, not much showing up today. Like Rana Day, lower. Tesla. Okay, let's look at Tesla. So Tesla, it's not holding up really tight. Not giving back too much. Yesterday, yeah, yesterday it was close at the bottom, but today it was able to look like gap up quite a bit and then holding so far. So it looks really good. So I've been watching that. Industrial was really strong yesterday. Um, Today we have SenX still going, Resi. Here you go, SenX aluminum just broke out recently. Resi, this one make a new high. Look at that. Today symbolic make a huge move today, coming back on the right side of the page. That looks pretty good. And XMTR geometry moving up nicely now. It's not accelerating yet, but it's moving up. Sterling has been making big move lately too. The building heavy construction looks pretty strong in the last few days. Health side again, not too many moving. So we do let's see here, ESPR. It's okay. It's make new high, pull back a little bit, still holding though. HIMS is also coming back on the right side of the base here. So that looks pretty good as well. We already talked about gold, but we didn't talk about solar. So let's take a look at first solar. So this one's been trading very tight lately and keep making higher highs. So looking okay. And then we have shows here also making higher high this morning, holding up yesterday's gain. Yesterday was a nice move right there. On the financial side, also not too much moving today. We have a firm holding really tight. It's not giving up much. It's not moving up too much, but it is making higher highs. So far, this one is making higher highs, so that's looked really good. New high, actually, new high. And the upstart is just slowly coming back, but we do have this red line potential resistance here. So we'll see if we can break through that. I'd rather wait for that. And also this would be like a downtrend line, just coincide with the red line as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I don't know why my machine is so slow when I load my streaming software, but I will look into that. Thank you all for watching. I'll be coming out with weekend videos probably later tomorrow, Saturday. But hope you guys have a good trading day and good weekend. Please like and subscribe.